So we've come to the hard decision to sell our 1994 Eldorado Class B camper van. It's been meticulously maintained with a lot of love, and it's been garaged for most of its life. We bought it in 2000, and we have enjoyed it for 24 years, and we really love the vehicle, but we're just not using it that much. We're traveling overseas a lot, and so we've decided to sell it. As you can see, the body is in great shape. It has 141,000 miles on it. It has a professionally installed surf rack, because I go surfing up and down the East Coast, of course, and it sleeps too comfortably. There's actually a space up top with a bunk, which somebody could possibly sleep in, though we've never used it for that. We've always used it just for storage. Has a furnace, air conditioning. It has fresh and gray and black water tanks, shower, bathroom, full bathroom. One of the great things about this vehicle is its configuration. And it was hard for me to find one that was like this, but the double bed, there's the ladder that goes up to the top. It has a double bed in the back. This is, it's a dining area, but the table comes out and this folds out to a really comfortable double bed. And because it's in the back, a lot of them would put the bathroom here, so you couldn't really use the back area, and they would put the bed in the middle of the RV, which meant you had to walk over the bed to get to the bathroom or whatever. With this, the bed's in the back, it's secluded. A lot of the time when we were driving on long trips, my wife would either come back here and work on her computer, or she'd fold out the bed and she'd sleep back here while I was driving, or we'd take turns. It's really wonderful. And it's also, there have been times I did trade shows where I would use this for hauling cargo, and it works great. So it has a trailer hitch with hookups for a trailer. It has a wonderful awning that works fine. There's a storage area down there for jacks and whatnot. It's, as you can see, the body is in great shape. It's been kept in a garage. The seats are in great shape. It's got a Ford V8, really powerful. No problems with it. We have meticulous maintenance records. We've serviced it whenever necessary. It has a new Norcold refrigerator. It works on DC or LP gas, and DC or AC, I guess, when you plug it in. When we're plugged into shore power. Here's a 2-burner LP stove, which works great. Everything works on this camper. It's just ready to take on the road right now. This is where we use a storage area. This is a netting that goes in front of it. If we usually put bins up here, but this could also be another bunk. There's the driver's area. Captain's chairs with armrests. As you can see, the seats are in really good shape. The whole thing is, there's really, I put an extra table here so one person can eat. These chairs swivel around so you can face in the opposite direction when you're camping. There's blackout blinds all the way around. They work either as, letting some light through, or they black out entirely when you pull that down. Okay, it's all solid oak cabinets, plenty of storage area. Also, it has a microwave, which works. We have an 1800 watt inverter, which we installed. So the microwave will run when you're running the engine, and you turn the inverter on. There's the thermostat for the furnace, which has an LP furnace. So we've used this going snowboarding up in the mountains. This is a remote for it has a new JVC radio that also connects with Bluetooth and connects to your phone. Everything works. It has electrical outlets all the way around, and there's also a DC outlet up over there, DC and AC outlets throughout the vehicle. I think I'm the only owner since the original owner from 1994. As I say, I bought it in 2000, and it's been garaged most of its life. It has a fantastic fan, which is thermostatically controlled, so we can run that and have some windows open because we have when we don't want to use the air conditioner, it keeps it cool. Has new tires and shocks. It's a 19-foot camper van. It's 19 feet, so it can fit just about it can fit in any parking space. It just is. It's a great vehicle. I don't know what to tell you. We really don't have much to say. We've kind of outgrown it. We've used it for 24 years, and we've garaged it, and we're just not using it that much. And it's time for it to be used by somebody who can take fuller advantage of it. Thank you very much. I can be contacted through the website. Thank you.